It's really not about getting them to sleep all night, because that's impossible. It's about getting them comfortable in their cribs and being able to put themselves back to sleep end of each sleep cycle. So your sleep is not wake up, cry, and have to go back to sleep. It's partially wake and go back down into another sleep cycle. There's a lot of information out there about sleep, and it can be very overwhelming for parents. It can be very confusing. If what you're doing is workable for you, if you feel good as a parent, then you keep doing that. And don't stress out about the numbers. If you feel like your little one is rested, if you feel rested, that's really, really good. And you're doing a really great job. And if you don't feel like that, then you can definitely make those changes.
All of that also goes back to other situations that we need to create as a parent to create that regulation. Could it be, when was the last time we fed the child? Was there sugar in what we fed the child? When was the last time we introduced screen or the noises around the child? There's just so many things when you think about even the concept of sleep.